Today I'm checking out this KINGBOLEN S608 that was sent to me so I could do the review. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box, see everything it comes with, and then let's test it out. All right, so out of the box you get the main unit itself, you get the manual, a USB charging cable, and then of course the OBD connector here. It's got your standard port for your car on this side, and then it's got the connector on this side that goes into the top of this unit. And this unit's got a really nice big screen on it. You got some nice big buttons here on the side. Let's go ahead and check it out. So I've used the Launch CRP123 V2 before, and that was a pretty good unit, but it looks like this KINGBOLEN S608 is actually a better unit than that. This one has bi-directional support here, so you can do active tests when the Launch does not. 9 reset functions versus 3. Again, this does support active tests when the Launch didn't. A much broader support for OBD2 and CAN-FD, FCA, SGW. So a lot more support it looks like. Runs on an Android operating system versus just a proprietary Launch system. Both units seem to offer lifetime updates. Again, this one is a more advanced unit because it has the bi-directional control. And it looks like this may be a slightly pricier unit than the Launch CRP123, but it looks like with all the extra support that it has, it's worth it. So let's find out if it is. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this into my truck. So I've got this thing plugged into the truck. I mean, it looks great. Big screen, I love the big screen. It is touchscreen and you can use the buttons, so either one. These are all the different modes that you can do with it. Like I wanted to diagnose my truck, so I hit diagnose, and then I can hit auto search, and it's going to recognize my VIN, recognize my vehicle, and then go into the actual diagnostics so we can generate a report on what's going on with my truck. So I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna click auto search. It starts searching for the VIN. So it brings me to this section here. I can just ask for a health report, and it is going to scan all the codes that my truck has. There is a check engine light on, so this is gonna tell me what's going on. Wow, really cool. And it actually shows me stuff I didn't know I had. I knew I had this one, the 026D, but these are ones that have passed and failed. This is some historical ones that are in there. Injector 3, NOS sensor, oxygen sensor, same stuff for the glow plug section, and something from my electric brake controller. Great. It's always fun to have codes to deal with, but when you have a tool like this, lets you go in there and read it all. You can create a report on this. It will make you a PDF file if you want to. If you hook it up to the internet with Wi-Fi, you can send yourself emails out of this. You can set yourself up nice little letterhead with your business on it. Like the PDF will put your addresses and everything. I mean, it was really cool. Of course, I don't have a business that does that, but if you did, this thing could make you a nice little printout. But this tool is not just to come in here and pull your codes. A lot of real simple tools can do that. This one does a lot more. If you did print you out some of those PDFs or whatever, or any saved reports, they'll be under your file section here. Under maintenance, it's got 9 different tools that you can use here to do, well, all of this. We got a whole repair info section here. All your settings, do your upgrades here. You connect it to Wi-Fi, you can get, again, lifetime free updates. So if you go into diagnostics and once you find your vehicle and everything, you can go into your different ECUs or ECMs. And like I want to go to my engine control module, and these are different things like you can do tests, clear faults and all that. I'm going to go to the tests, and here we can do different tests. Like this, you can do an AC compressor clutch test, like active grille shutters. I know this won't do anything while it's running. I can come in here and see if my active grille shutters are working properly. So I can tell it to open them. So it was already in open status, so I'm going to tell it to now close them. And as you can see, it's actually saying it's moving right now. It's telling it to close. It gave it the close command. And now it's stationary, which means it's done. Now I'll tell it open back up. And there it is. So you can test different controls in your ECMs or your other CMs. And just, there's a lot to check. Lots of different tests. Lots of information. Very cool. So more data than most people even need, but you know, for the person that really knows what they're doing on their vehicle, a lot of good information in this tool. The fact that it's bi-directional lets you get in here, do the tests you need to do, tell it to do things, make sure they're working properly. A whole lot more than just your standard DTC code reader. So yeah, I really like it. I think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.